So yes, you guys, I have my jumbo shrimp, which I already cleaned. I cut them and cleaned the poopy out of them. Let me lift it up. As you can see, I cleaned it already. So right now, I just got it sitting. I'm making fried jumbo shrimp. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my fried jumbo shrimp. So what I'm gonna do is sprinkle some lemon on it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, put like 2 drops of real lemon juice on that thing, okay? Then we're gonna put some garlic, you know what I'm saying, on there, some garlic, okay? Then I like black pepper on my shrimp. Yes, you guys, I like to sprinkle some black pepper on my shrimp, okay? Then I got all-purpose seasoning. Caribbean style. You know what me going? I'm gonna put some Caribbean seasoning on me blood clot shrimp. So yes, I put some of that on there. So now I'm gonna stir the shrimp. Okay, these are jumbo shrimp I got from the fish market. I just got a couple. Well, actually I had bought 2 pounds, but whatever. So I just took a couple out to defrost it. So now I'm mixing the seasoning in. Okay, mixing the seasoning in. I hope you guys can see. You see? Mixing that seasoning inside. Okay, with the lemon so it can marinate. Okay. But I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper because y'all know how I love my black pepper now. Yes, honey. Okay. So now I'm gonna let that sit for like 5 minutes so all the stuff can marinate. I'm gonna put a paper towel over it and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna take this off because it already set and marinated in the seasoning that I put. So I made my own flour. Now what I use to make my own flour, I use yellow ground stone ground yellow cornmeal. And that's 2 scoops of that and 2 scoops of regular flour. Any flour that you have, 2 scoops of that to make your fish flour, okay? And I also added my seasoning, my own flavor seasoning inside of the bag. So what I do is, well, what I'm gonna do is instead of putting it in a bag, because I'm making some fish too, so what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle some of this seasoning into the pot, into the bowl, because I didn't want to put the shrimps in the bag because I'm also making fried fish as well. So now I'm just gonna mix these shrimps up together inside this bowl. Okay. Make sure all the shrimps are coated. Not too much because you don't want the batter to. Okay. Now I'm just gonna. So now I'm gonna let it sit, let the shrimp sit in a bowl for about 5 minutes, let the batter stay stick to it, and I will be right back. Now we place the shrimp in the oil. I put them in one by one, you guys. I got the fire on 2. I'm cooking in olive oil. So I like to have them spaced out. I don't like to have them on top of each other. So yes, I'm cooking them in olive oil. Okay. And I got the fire on 2 because you guys know how olive oil get really, really hot. So now we're gonna let them fry and then turn them over. So you do turn them over one by one. Once you see they're getting like golden brown, then you turn it over. See how this one looks? Yeah. This one is looking real crunchy, crispy. Okay, this one is looking okay. I don't want to turn them over too quick because they have to look like golden brown like this one. So these are cooking. Let me see the colors. This one. Okay, this one is ready to be turned around. Okay. Okay, now we got the fish and shrimp now done. The party is on for Sunday. Okay, this is what we are having. Sunday dinner. Okay. Yes, look at that, look at that, look at that, looking so good. Just took them out the pan, so you know, have to let them cool off and everything. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you guys, so yeah, this is my fried shrimp and fish also I made. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.